Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are jumping into both my IPSY and my IPSY Glam Bag Plus for the month of December. I know this video is a little late, but I did have some issues with things getting to my new address, but here we are, and today we'll be jumping right in. So if that's something you're into, make sure to keep on watching, and don't forget to subscribe because I upload every other day. That'll be the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. So if you want to jump into all of the items in IPSY this month, the good, the bad, and the why is this in a box, stay tuned. All right, jumping right in, I do want to remind you that today we're going to be unboxing and talking about all the products in here. Many of these I have used and will give you full reviews on. And the ones I haven't, in my next video, we're going to be doing a full face try-on of all of the subscription box makeup. And we officially have everything except for complexion to do a full face. So in that video, we're going to do everything after concealer, all the way through eyes and the works. And some of the items in this video will be tried in that one. So jumping right in, out of the IPSY app, I do have all of the product details so that I could just read it right off to you. And the first item we're going to start on the Glam Bag Plus. First item is the Ciate London Velvet Eye Palette. Now I'm not going to open this just because I do already own this palette, and my studio is currently in a series of boxes to my right, and I could not find it, but I know we got this box in a BoxyCharm, I want to say 4 months ago, something like that. So for $20, get depth and dimension with these 12 shimmery, hypermetallic, and velvety matte eyeshadows in a complementary mix of mauve, coral, and bronze. These shades are finely milled and blend beautifully. I will agree with all of that. It is finely milled, they work beautifully. It is a stunning palette, but I don't need a second one. So it is a great item. It is just another reflection of a time where we're going to see items from IPSY going to Boxy and from Boxy going to IPSY. That's not a bad thing if you have one of the subscription boxes, because it means you'll get a decent amount of mix of things that might have only been in one in the past. But for those of you who might have both subscriptions, it might be a reason to have only one. So great product, great palette, but it is a Boxy repeat. Next, this is the Quick Stick Waterproof Shadow and Liner in Rose Gold Luster and Brown from Tarte Cosmetics. So we will be using the brown liner and the shimmer in that upcoming video. Retailing for $25, this gel liner glides on smoothly with no skipping or tugging and feels comfortable on the lids. Just one swipe and you've got rich color infused with skin-loving ingredients that will not crease or transfer or smudge. Use the shadow across your lids and blend with your fingers or a brush. Use the liner to accomplish all of your liner needs. Now I have used this product in the past in a different color, but this is such a beautiful shimmer base that I think I will be using this and then layering another shimmer on top. And you can't go wrong with a good brown liner. So we'll be putting that to the test in that video, but as someone who's already used the formula, definitely going to be a win from me. Next, from Patchology, this is the Serve Chilled Rosé Sheet Masks. This is a 4 count for $30. Everybody loves rosé to help them chill out and relax. This one, in the form of a sheet mask, is suitable for all ages and skin types. It is infused with hyaluronic acid, resveratrol, and strawberry to help protect and calm your skin from inflammation and free radicals. Love those ingredients. Resveratrol is a vegan alternative to retinol, really helps with tightening and anti-inflammatory, just like it said. So really excited to put that to the test. Next, this is the Vitamin C Intensive Cream from the brand Kat Berkey. This retails for $116. The fan favorite moisturizer helps defend your skin on a daily with antioxidant-rich KB5 and 15% Stay C vitamin C, helping to create stronger skin that is ready to face environmental stressors without worry. I have not used much from this brand, just a few products I've gotten here and there in IPSY, but $115 moisturizers, definitely something I'm interested in. Now looking at the ingredients, the first ingredient is arnica flower water, not regular water, followed by calendula flower water, and then a couple other infused waters. So yes, that does mean that there's water in here. A water-based moisturizer is great, but calendula, vitamin C, anti-inflammatory, hydrating, all of those are fantastic ingredients. If you've been following me for any time, you know that the calendula line from Kiehl's is one of my all-time favorites. So any product with those like flag ingredients tend to be things I really enjoy. So I'm excited to give that a try as well. And the last item in the Glam Bag Plus from MOTD Cosmetics, it is a dual-sided brush duo, retailing for $24. You don't need more than 2 to create a party. These 2 dual-ended brushes take you are perfect to take on the go for touch-ups and travel. You get 4 brushes for the size of 2, a blending brush, blush brush, highlighting, and contour to help get your face ready for all the fun moments in life. Now looking at this really quickly, this is a great shape for blush, and it is the blush brush. I would definitely enjoy that, and we'll be testing it in that video. A nice highlighter brush, definitely a fan there. Here, there's a contour brush and a blending brush, but this, for contour, I think it's a little small for what I like, but it's such a soft brush that I could really see liking this for concealer. And then this as a precision powder brush. So we're gonna put both of these to the test. I did already sanitize these because I mentioned this in a previous video. You never know where the brush right out of the package came from or what happened, who might have touched it in the factory while inspecting. So you always wanna make sure you sanitize new brushes before you use them. Looking at that right there, I will say this is probably one of the best Glam Bag Pluses I have seen in quite some time. Let's see if the base Glam Bag lives up. First, from the brand Luna Magic, we have the full-size lip liner. This is in the shade Besitos, which is a very neutral nudie tone. I think this is a really flattering shade just by looking in the tube. So we'll be putting that to the test in this upcoming video as well. Line and define your way to fuller looking lips with this retractable, self-sharpening lip liner in a cool mauve color. The long-lasting wear allows you to create bold lips without worrying about fading. A cool tone mauve for me is the perfect nude just to even out my lip tone. And if you've seen any of my lip lining videos, you know I like to line with a neutral more often than not because I can always, use that to define the lip line and then go in with a lipstick of a different color. And in my upcoming video, I know I haven't filmed it yet, but I know I'm gonna be wearing this red, so really excited to pair a nude lip liner with a nice red lip. All right, next, from Milk Makeup, this is the Rise Mascara. This is the one mascara by them I have not tried yet, so I will be putting that to the test as well. Lashes need a lift. This award-winning mascara is your downtrodden lashes need. Watch as they're lengthened, curled, lifted, and voluminized for a natural but never over-the-top look. Marigold extract helps to condition and strengthen too. Very excited to put that to the test. I have a love-hate relationship with the Milk Makeup mascaras. There are times I've used it where I've been like, you know what? This isn't bad. And then I've had times where I was really disappointed by what it did to my lashes. So it's one of those that I keep revisiting, but that's their base Kush mascara, not the Rise mascara. So definitely looking to give this a chance. Next, from Biro, we have the Rose Tea Eye Cream in a sample size. No need for rose-colored glasses here. You've got the real deal with the smoother, plumper, firmer, and brighter eyes with a depuffing eye cream that uses Hydro Rose vegan collagen to get your wide-awake eye look. It takes 28 to 60 days to see any results with your skincare, so trial sizes are great to see if you're going to have contact dermatitis or an allergic reaction or you really hate the smell or don't like the texture. But as far as seeing actual results, I just want to be 100% honest and say you will not see results using something this size, but it's a great way to see if you like it enough to want to give it a full-size try. I love sample sizes for that very reason, testing allergens and making sure you're not going to have a reaction, but let's not expect miracles from products that really do take 28 to 60 days minimum to see those results. Next, from First Aid Beauty, we have the Ultra Repair Firming Collagen Cream in a deluxe sample. I have used this product many, many, many times. I have a full-size somewhere in one of these boxes, and it's a product that is so good for your skin. There's a base of colloidal oatmeal in there, which is great for anti-inflammatory and soothing irritation. So I know a ton of people who swear by this, especially in the winter. So really excited to have a small size of this in case I have a moment where I start to get flaky or dry and I need a little extra moisture on my skin, because it has always come in clutch on those times where I really need a little extra love. And the last item is from Sophia and Maybell. This is the $22 full-size lip oil. Have received this in the past. Give your lips a delicious and hydrating treat with this watermelon lip oil infused with super conditioning and nourishing ingredients to help plump and moisturize your lips, making them soft and kissable. It is a $22 lip oil. Now, I've gotten 2 lip oils already this month, and I'm really enjoying this one from Make Beauty, which came in a BoxyCharm. It looks like it's going to be a really vibrant pink, but it's actually, once it's on, just a Your Lip But Better color. And it just adds the perfect kiss of color to your lips without it being like a bright on color, even though it looks like it's going to be more pink. So I'm really loving that one. So I'm going to set this off, and if I decide I need another lip oil, I'll try it out. But for now, I'm going to pass. Sophia and Maybell make some great products. I have tried them in the past. And I actually used to have one of their shimmering versions of this lip oil. And I liked it, but I didn't love it. It ended up getting downsized not too long ago. So just not something I'm interested in at this moment. So all in, looking at these, I will say the Glam Bag was not as exciting as the Glam Bag Plus, but definitely a ton of products I'm really excited about and really pumped for this video I'm about to film trying it all on. But of the items I know I've used, definitely happy there. Of the products I haven't tried, I'm excited to give them a try. Definitely a great introduction to some brands that I may have not used in the past. As always, let me know your thoughts down below. I would love to hear it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!